With another gaming video and Omar.
It's me!
Yeah, and sorry if you guys hear a bunch of noise. It's my brother Brian and my dad. So we're gonna be playing.
Hold on, is this even on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, so we're gonna be playing this game called Hill Climb Racing to see who can
get a higher score.
Yeah.
Or something like that. I don't know how this game goes.
Yeah. So we're gonna be trying to play it.
How about whoever gets the most coins?
Yeah, and we're gonna be trying a bunch of different games, I guess, or whatever.
Probably.
Yeah. So let's get started. So I'll go first since I have the.
Last time we played a bunch of different games in one video, it did not work out.
Yeah.
Well.
Anyway. What?
No.
Never. Next. Start. Okay. When I tried to play this game, it wasn't such a good idea because I kept on making him fall on his head and just really die. Yeah.
Whoever gets to the most miles.
Yeah. How much do I have right now?
100.
No. Brakes. Oh. Sorry, we're just being mad. I'm just being mad right now at myself. We were deleting games we didn't want before we made the video, and we deleted Minecraft. We could have made a video right now with it. Oh! Ah! Sorry, that's not something good. Ah!
Okay, my turn.
Oh, that's so painful. No, I don't want to share. No.
My turn. So it's my turn now. Just casually. Hey, why is it going down? Just casually. Casual. Oh my God, Melly tooted. Ah!
Omar, I took so much time, so I win this round. Okay. Hold on. Oh, damn it.
What?
Let's go back to, restart. We're gonna be getting, oh, damn it. I have to die on purpose right now. So I'm gonna do something. Oh, wow. Why did I actually die? Break! Ah!
I died like right there.
Ah! Oh, okay. Go faster! Ah!
Oh yeah, guys, sorry guys that we haven't actually been making.
Ah!
Stop screaming, guys. Sorry that we also haven't been making lots of videos.
Yeah, we've been distracted
A lot lately. So sorry very much about that.
We're trying to get a new car. Upgrade?
Hold on.
Tired. Oh. Okay. How did we upgrade it?
From the bottom part, you can't see it. Oh, you can buy new cars like a buggy.
Oh, go on. Your gas is running out.
What are you doing? You never said it was my turn. I'm gonna run out of gas.
There you go. You filled it up.
You gotta casually walk. Drive. Taking a little stroll around the park. Getting ready to die and running into the cactus.
Is no cactus?
But this is supposed to be a desert. A cheese desert. Because the sand looks like Swiss cheese. Then go eat something.
I'm hungry, people.
Did you not eat chips at Danny's house?
They were small ones, dude. What?
No, that curd.
I tried so many spices.
Ah!
Yeah, when we were at my cousin's house.
Oh my God!
But you did it. You didn't even die. You did.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. There? Huh? Oh!
Vehicle.
Okay.
Oh, right. Oh, these are all locked.
That's it. Let's see the what the.
Tractor.
So we can only use the smallest one. Mm.
Okay. My plan is to get a new one.
Yeah.
A new car.
And now we're gonna see who can drive the most safest. And the most actual the most that most likely be able to get actually a driver. What? Aha.
Let's play Floppy Bird.
Yeah, we're gonna play this game. Well, did I delete it?
Dude.
We'll play Floppy Bird. So obviously fashion story. It's my fashion stuff. Sorry.
Hey guys, look, dude, the high score is mine.
Yeah.
By the way.
I'm horrible at this game, so I'm just gonna play now.
It's Melly. It's Melly, by the way.
Yeah.
You
I'm
can.
horrible at this game. I can only get past like 2 or 3.
Go.
Or 1. Watch. I'm gonna die. I actually passed almost. I scored like 29. See?
Like, yeah, it's 20,
I get too
it's 29.
Yeah, I get too distracted.
Yeah, guys, and sorry that we don't make videos for that long because something on our YouTube channel is that we can't upload videos more than 15 minutes.
Because we have to be concentrated.
It has to be less than 15.
Yeah. I'm trying to be as concentrated as I can. Ah!
Because if we could like do something about that, we would make right. What in the world was that? No, I had no chance. Dude, it lagged.
It was
just like don't.
Yeah, if Omar just passes 1 or 2 or 2, then he makes an excuse to go again.
When did I do that? Watch this.
What about this, guys? Never trust me in this. Whatever.
Cause that was kind of weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this.
Whoa. You're a yellow bird.
Look what you did!
I brushed my hair. Okay, let me try. Oh, my voice. Dude. Zero.
Shut up.
I got a better score than you. Yeah, Omar's a 10-year-old and he's in 5th grade. I'm a 30-year-old. I'm an 8.
So?
No, I'm just saying the kind of.
You're a 30-year-old, but you're 8. How in the world is that possible?
I'm a 3rd grader, but I'm 8 years old.
No, you said you're 3 years old.
Oh,
hey, look, I made one.
at least you got one.
No, you suck. My turn. I need your concentration. Dude, what I just did.
I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna delete that video. I told you so. I'm gonna delete the video. Okay, so that's my turn now.
Oh! It fell. I promise you guys we will start making lots more videos. We needs it. We needs it.
All gaming videos.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is the end of our video.
What?
Say bye to YouTube. Bye, YouTube.
Okay, bye.